Bloating is a result of trapped gas in your stomach, but in most cases can be caused by fluid retention, food intolerance, and menstrual cycle. Whatever the case, bloating can be very uncomfortable and frustrating for many. Watch the video till the end, subscribe to the channel to get more recipes and tips. Mint has been used for centuries as a remedy because of its soothing qualities. By consuming mint tea regularly, you will be able to prevent stomach cramps, reduce muscle spasms in your digestive tract, and also relax your digestive muscles. You can have a cup of mint tea before or after your meals to help reduce bloating. Bring 4 cups of drinking water to a boil, add in up to 20 fresh mint leaves and let it steep for 10 minutes. Strain the tea into a teacup, add honey to taste and drink 3 times daily to get rid of bloating. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips. Watch our other videos and be healthy for a long time.